We're at the top of the Rotang Pass. This is pretty much our exit from the Himalayas back into the smog of India.
My life revolves around dirt bikes. My father's doesn't. But in the most unlikely circumstance, a couple of 150cc two-wheel freedom machines unites us on common ground, carrying us through the highs and lows of an unimaginable journey through some of the most majestic and treacherous places on earth. We are strangers in a strange land, and the thousands of faces staring back at us with distant looks in their eye only affirm that. We enter a mass migration of trucks, bikes, cars, cows, dogs, goats, people, donkeys and carts, all competing for space on the highway. You know, I never imagined my life would revolve around dirt bikes. Maybe it's a passion, or just an addiction. It's a place you meet good friends. I'm grateful for this. The freedom to explore the world on two wheels. Is it possible to expose a foreigner to this world? Someone who knows nothing of dirt bikes. Someone like my father. Life's too short not to try. So why not take it to the extremes and aim for a place that will test both man and machine? A place like no other. The Himalayas. Canopy of rock to your left, a 500-meter drop to your right, and I'm charging the 150 through like an action scene from Indiana Jones. The process of checking in through customs is testing our patience. Military activity becomes more concentrated as we push on south to the town of Kishtwar. For every half kilometre travelled between village and valley, there are 2 to 3 soldiers on standby. All are heavily armed and deadly serious. This is a life of war I can't truly comprehend as a foreigner. A warning of recent militant activity alters the course ahead, but we must head deeper into the mountains to avoid the perils of a terrorist threat in Jammu.
Mine's on anyway, don't worry about it. Keep going, Dad.
Dad is struggling to maintain any pace. The problem is, the main highway we're following is not a highway at all. It's a wet, rocky, rutted 4-wheel drive track elevating into the clouds. This is not a place you can afford mishap or misjudgment. I'm not sure how the experience affected Dad, or if this journey will prosper our relationship in the future. But whatever the case, I feel privileged to be alive. Our Himalayan loop is nearing completion. The past 21 days has taught me lessons of life. Lessons you can't read about or see on TV. Lessons I'll continue to learn from until the end of life itself. From a 4,500 kilometer Himalayan adventure.
Dan. Good music.